Hello there, my name is Sangeeta and welcome back to my channel. So, if you are new here, this channel is all about art and creativity. I'm making this video to make a small announcement. So, if you have been following my work mostly through the Linktree link which I usually give in the description of all my videos, so you may be aware that I just do not create videos. I also write a few blogs. I have a weekly newsletter. There are some comics, and the usual artworks that come and go. So so if you have been liking my work and if you see some value in it, then I thought, okay, let me just create something where it's easily accessible to you, like whatever updates that I make. So for that, I have created a channel, a Telegram channel. So I will link that Telegram channel in the description. So if you want to follow my work, you can just follow that channel, and I will be updating, like whatever I create will be updated there, from blogs to newsletters to videos. Every update that I make on the creative side, like any creative output. Having said that, there is another bigger update. So uh, from some time I wanted to create, like, a small group where we can have a, not a small group, like a group basically, where we can have conversations related to art or creativity in general. So I have my inclination for visual art, so I'm going to keep that group specific to visual creators only. So that means if you are like a painter or a comics creator or a graphics designer, so uh, more or less, there is value for you to join that group. So that will also be a Telegram group. You'll also find the link to that group in the description. So I urge you to join that group, and like there are multiple resources created online, and each of us are, like, uh, getting our own personalized feed. So I thought, okay, if there's one place where we can share, the things that we are learning, particularly mostly from the art side, like it could be a tutorial that you found interesting, or it could be a, like, small movie, a short movie, CGI movie, or even jobs, like many of us, at least the 90s kids who uh, did not have the knowledge, or at least the access to information that kids today have. So I think it would make more sense if if people get to see all the information that is directly given to them. So I'm actually looking forward to creating that group where we can have all sorts of discussion and have like a support group for visual creators, let's say. So if this interests you, so feel free to join that group and also share that link with other creative people who are also into visual arts, or if they are, if they do enjoy visual arts, so, and it doesn't harm them to join that group as well. So so yeah, those are the two updates that I wanted to make. So don't forget to visit the links that I have mentioned in the description, and since I have created that group, so you will find me there as the owner. And if there are any doubts or any queries, you can always DM me on Telegram, and yeah, we'll see how far we can go with that group, and basically support each other. So yeah, stay tuned, and there are some more videos, some painting processes that I will be updating in this week, and hopefully the Canva tutorial that I had promised a long time back. So maybe that one as well. So I'll see you in the next video.